Hello everyone, it's Sijana here. Today we are diving into some basic math like present value, present value annuity, future value annuity, NPER rate using Microsoft Skill. If you are a student or a profession or just looking for boost your Microsoft spreadsheet skill, this one's for you. So let's start. So first of all, we gonna calculate some summation, difference, multiplication, division, percentage, minimum, maximum. So at first we gonna calculate summation. The formula would be equal sum, then we are using sales, the entire sales. We use control plus shift plus downward button, bracket close, enter. Yeah, this is our summation of sales. It means total sales, this one. Now we are calculating difference, equal sum of sales minus, since we are calculating difference, that's why we put minus, again sum of commissions. Yeah, this is our difference between sales and commission. Now we are calculating multiplication, that's why we have to press equal. We are multiply this cell into this cell, press enter. Yes, this is our multiplication of CDE, sales, into commission. And now we are calculating division. For calculating division, press equal. We are divided this cell into this by this. Okay. Yes, this is our division of sales divided by commission. Now percentage, we are calculating percentage, equal, we using these cells like this. EFG's commission divided by EFG's sales, press enter. Yes, this is our percentage of EFG. Minimum, for minimum we have to press equal minimum formula, write mean. Okay, number, we are calculating commission's minimum number, so select the entire commission sales, bracket close. Yes, this is our minimum number of minimum amount of commission, 75,000. Maximum of commission, press equal max and select the entire commission, control shift paste down button, bracket close. Yes, 5 lakh is our maximum of commission. So now we are calculating present value. Here our given that our future value 30,000, which is positive amount, rate 5%, year 4, and present value and month 12 month. Now we have to calculate present value. That's why we have to press equal. Present value formula would be, first of all we have to put rate would be 5% divided by month. Since here including month, that's why we are dividing rate by month, comma NPER would be year into month. Okay, comma payment, there is no payment, that's why payment would be 0, comma future value. We need future value in minus figure, but here is a future value in positive figure, that's why we had a minus and now future value, comma our type would be end of the period, bracket close, press enter. Yes, this is our present value. Now we are calculating future value. Here present value 20,000, which is negative figure, rate 6%, year 4, and there is no month including. So for future value we have to press equal future value FV formula, rate is 6%, comma NPER 4 year, comma PMT means payment, there is no payment, that's why payment would be 0, comma present value we need minus figure. Here given that present value minus figure, that's why we do not need to add an extra minus, comma type would be end of the year, enter. Yes, this is our future value. Now we are calculating present value annuity. For present value annuity, here future value 10,000 minus figure, payment 1,000 minus figure, rate 6%, N means year, 10 year, month 12 month. So present value annuity equal present value rate is 6% divided by month, comma NPER 10 into month, comma payment, yes payment, comma future value already has minus figure, comma type would be 0. Yes, this is our present value annuity. Now we are calculating future value annuity. So first of all, for this project there is given that payment 1,000 negative figure, rate 6%, year 10 year. So future value equal future value FV rate 6%, comma NPER 10 year, comma payment choose payment, comma present value, there is no present value, that's why present value would be 0, comma type would be end of the year, bracket close. Yes, this is our future value annuity for project 1. Now real estate purchase. For real estate purchase, future value annuity equal FV formula, rate, here rate is 5%, and you can see here month is also including, that's why we divided rate by month, comma NPER means year into month, comma payment is 50,000, comma present value, yes there is also present value and it has minus figure, comma type would be 0, end of the year, bracket close, enter. Yes, this is our real estate purchase future value annuity. Now we are calculating NPR. We are zoom out this. For this project, present value has 5,000 negative figure, future value 10,000 positive figure, rate 12%. So NPR would be equal NPER. NPR formula would be rate, yes, rate 12%, comma, payment, there is no payment, that's why payment is 0, comma, present value, we have present value, okay, comma, here we need future value in negative figure, but we are already we are already including present value in negative figure, that's why we do not need to add future value in negative figure. So we are put present value in positive figure, comma, type would be end of the year, and we have to convert it into number 6.12 year. Okay, for this project we have present value 5,000 negative figure, payment 1,000 negative figure, future value 20,000 which is negative figure, rate 9%, month 12 month. So press equal NPER formula, rate is 9% divided by month, comma, NPR payment has 1,000, comma, present value 5,000 negative figure, comma, future value need negative figure, but we already include present value in negative figure, that's why we do not need to add future value in negative figure. So we choose positive figure, comma, type would be 0, bracket close, enter. Yes, we have to convert it into number, yes, 13.78%. Now we are calculating rate. We have present value, payment, future value, year, but we do not have rate, that's why we have to calculate rate. So for rate equal rate formula, we need NPR means year, there is no month, that's why we just put year, comma, payment 2,000, comma, present value negative figure, comma, future value positive figure, comma, type would be end of the year, bracket close, enter. 5%, and we have to convert it into percentage, 4.58%. Yes, this is all about today.